Welcome back everyone. In this video we will discuss the revised syllabus of CBSE for IT 402 session 2020 and 21. As you know, CBSE has already done some changes in every subject due to this pandemic situation. So we are going to discuss what are the changes CBSE has done in IT 402. As you can see here, IT 402 is already divided into part A and part B. Not only this, part A again is divided into 5 units. These units consist the numbers of hours for practical and theory and the maximum marks of theory and practical out of 100. So the first unit under this part A is communication skill. Second, as you know, you have already studied the first part of this all part A in grade 9. So in this class you will learn further more about these units. Unit 1 communication skill 2. This contains the number of hours 10 and the maximum theory and practical for all these part A is a 10. That means the question paper will consist only the 10 marks for part A. Unit 2 self management skill 2, it is also contain 10 marks. And unit 3 ICT skills second, it also contains 10 marks. Fourth unit entrepreneur skill second, it also consists of 15 marks. This is quite important chapter from these unit. And the last unit green skill 2, and it consists of only 5 marks. So from unit part A, only 10 marks questions will be there in your exam, right? Next is part B. It is called subject specific skills. These all chapters is a practical basis. Unit 1 is a digital documentation advanced. It is an advanced method because already we have learned the basic method in grade 9. And digital documentation advanced consists 12 hours of studies and 18 hours of practical. And in exam, 8 marks will contain the question from this unit. Second is unit 2, electronic spreadsheet. Again, it is an advanced because we have already studied in 9th grade. An electronic spreadsheet consists 15 hours for theory and 23 hours for practical. Next is unit 3, database management system. This unit consists total 18 hours for theory and 27 hours for practical. And from this chapter, 12 marks question will contain by the question paper. Unit 4, web application and security. This unit consists total 15 hours and 22 hours for the practical. And the 10 marks question will arise from this unit. So overall from part A you will get question of 10 marks. And from part B you will get total question from 40 marks. Move towards the part C and part D. Part C is actually these both part is of practical work, right? Now part C is the first practical examination that will be held in your school. Now practical examination is consist of 15 marks. Next is written exam, that is also held in your school of 10 marks. Next, Viva voice. Viva is will of 10 marks in the school. So total will of 30 marks, 35 marks. Next, part D, practical file or student portfolio. Here you have to make a practical file based on your practical exam. Whatever the practical will you show in your exam during the examination time, you have to prepare practical on the basis of that, practical file on the basis of that. So before making the practical file, you have to write down, you have to prepare your portfolio. Portfolio is the thing where you will mention about yourself, your name, your hobbies, and everything and every information which you want to share with your examiner. Next is your practical filing portfolio will consist of 10 marks, and next Viva and Viva voice on the basis of your practical file. Whatever the topic you will choose, make it sure you should clear all the topics whatever you are writing in your practical file, so that Viva voice will be on the basis of your practical file portfolio. Okay, and this Viva voice will consist of 5 marks. So your project work field visit is of total 15. You have just now you have seen the marks distribution to the unit wise. Now we will sum up all the marks. Part A, employability skills, consists of 10 marks. Next is part B, subject skills, that will consist of 40 marks. So that means your theoretical exam will be of 50 marks. Next is part C, practical work. It will consist of 35 marks. Part D, practical work and field visit, it will consist of 15 marks. So total 50, 50 theory and 50 practical. Right? So the grand total paper will be of 100. I'll tell you the topics for your practical file. So you have to make your practical file from part B only. You can't make practical file from part A because it is a vocational skill and this is a employability skill. So here earlier in previous year there were 6 units. So in this session 2 units has been deducted by the CBSE due to this pandemic COVID. So unit 1 is a digital documentation. I am going to tell you how many topics it consists and what are the topic you can prefer for making a practical file. Only suggesting you, all for making the practical file is up to you. Which topic you have a clear vision in which you are mastered, so you have to make on that topic, right? So if you are making in unit 1 or unit 2, that is digital documentation, it consists of MS Word, okay, and electronic spreadsheet is a MS Excel. If you think that you are very good in MS Word, so I'll suggest you should make your practical file for MS Word. If you think that you know electronic spreadsheet about the MS Excel, everything, how to make a formula, you know about the rows and column, how to insert, do the formatting. If you know everything about Excel, you can make a practical file in this also. So here is not any specific topic in which you can make a practical file because these two are a main topic. Okay. Next is database management system and web application. Unit 3, database management system. It is also a full of different topics. If you want to prepare on this topic, on this unit, you can also make. Okay, because this chapter consists of 8 marks. I'll suggest if you are very good in database management system, for how to manipulate the data, how to organize it, and how to create queries. So I'll suggest you can make in this topic. And the last one is web application. This unit consists of different topics like how to make a network devices, internet and intranet, and the main topic is accessibility. So if you think that you have a good knowledge about these topics, so I prefer you can make your practical file. During this time period, you can start making a practical file. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and related to any topic, you can message me. And still, till this date, we have completed Unit 1 and Unit 4. Soon we are going to complete Unit 2 and 3. Okay. So this is the end of this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me without any hesitation. All things are clear to you. All topics are clear to you, because for starting any subject for your board exam, you should know the basics things. How many chapters, that chapter consists of marks, and what are the paper criteria, blueprint. You should always aware about these things. During this time period, when you are at home, you are studying very hard. We know that you are studying, we are working from at home. So you can make your practical file for every subject at this time period, so that when you will move to your board exam, you can sit back and relax. You can make a revision of your this work which we are doing nowadays. You can make a revision quickly, and it will be easy for you. I hope you all are safe at your home and working very hard and clearing your doubts with your teacher. Attend your Google Meet classes as well in a time. And okay, good luck, take care, bye bye.